Got a DOCXENX file you can't open and suspect it's encrypted? This format protects Word documents through Egis encryption software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access Egis encrypted documents. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value DOCXENX file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A user with a DOCXENX file is a victim of the ENX-Crypt ransomware. The original file, likely a Word document, .docx, has been encrypted and is now inaccessible. The user's primary goal is to understand the threat and find potential decryption tools to recover their data without paying a ransom. This file is a standard file, like DOCX, that has been overwritten with an encrypted data block using a strong cryptographic algorithm, e.g. hash, AES, or RSA. The ransomware appends the DOCXENX extension to mark the file, making it unusable until a specific private key held by the attacker is used for decryption. To ensure best performance with DOCXENX, always start with Egis Tech MyWinLocker from Egis Tech. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows offers minimal information, so decrypting the data requires software with the right key. The first action is critical. Right-click your DOCXENX file and select Open With. Use Egis Tech MyWinLocker if it is installed. If it's not available, select another program. Don't stop until the file successfully opens. If you still cannot open your DOCXENX file, that is okay. Because your DOCXENX file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, decrypting with Egis' software. Install Egis Secure Application or compatible enterprise encryption client, matching your organization's deployment. Authenticate with your enterprise credentials and the application automatically decrypts DOCXENX files when accessed, enabling normal Word document opening and editing through Microsoft Word. Next, working with IT support. Contact your IT department for DOCXENX file access if encryption software is not available or authentication fails. Enterprise encryption requires proper deployment and policy assignment, which IT administrators manage. They can verify your access permissions and resolve authentication issues affecting decryption. Finally, decrypting before migration. If migrating away from Egis encryption, decrypt important DOCXENX files while access remains available. Save decrypted versions as standard DOCX format, then re-encrypt using alternative tools like Microsoft Information Protection or 7-zip with AES, if continued protection is needed across software transitions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.